Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Horsepower Obsessed. Today, we're gonna talk about why my ZR1 is missing. Alright guys, so before we get started into exactly why my Corvette is not in my garage, I wanted to mention one more time about the key tags available for the channel. If you guys are interested in supporting the channel and its future growth, check out the key tags here. These are $9 a piece. We got the black writing with the red background, black trim, and the O is a turbo. Same thing, only inverted colors. Black in the background, red trim. Down here we have a different style design. Black background, white trim, no turbo for the O. And the red background, black trim, no turbo for the O. If you guys are interested in any of those, definitely shoot me an email, horse.power.obsessed@gmail.com, and I can make sure you guys get these things ASAP. Moving right on to the car. The ZR1, not here. And as you recall in my previous video, it was at Blackout Tinting for some clear bra. You can actually check that video out right up here. And basically Blackout Tinting and Latrobe did a fantastic job with the clear bra. So I actually dropped the car back off to them to do a little bit of ceramic coating as well. Now, the ceramic coating they're doing, you guys have probably already seen ceramic coating videos here and there, but this is a little bit different because they use primarily XPEL. XPEL actually has a new ceramic coating out. As you guys probably know, you got C-quartz and a couple different ceramic pro type materials, but ultimately all the ceramic coatings are pretty much the same. So the thing that really stuck in my mind is none of them are made specifically to go onto a clear bra of any kind. Now, there are places out there, of course, you put a clear bra on and they'll put ceramic coating over top of that clear bra, but it's not necessarily designed specifically for going on to clear bra. Not that it's a huge deal, it's probably fine, but in this case, the XPEL Fusion, which is the ceramic coating made by XPEL, is literally designed to go on top of their XPEL clear bra. The fact that XPEL will warranty it on top of clear bra as well as the clear bra itself is a big win for me. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you know why the car is not here, and you're gonna find out soon enough what the final product looks like, so stay tuned.
So this is Justin from Horsepower Obsessed, beautiful Corvette ZR1. It is back in to get the XPEL Fusion Plus coating installed. I was in here a couple weeks ago to get the XPEL paint protection film installed on the vehicle, and now it's back in to get the remaining bits polished and corrected and the Fusion coating applied to everything. So walking around the vehicle a little bit, I already went ahead and prepped the vehicle as far as washing it, doing an iron decontamination on it, cleaning the wheels, and claying the vehicle to remove any contaminants that are stuck on there. So once that was already done, I went over all the panels and went over them with a LED light to pull out any main imperfections that really need focused on more than others. And coming around the vehicle here, I just marked a couple with a piece of tape. That way we can kind of show you what's going on. So on the roof here, this is carbon fiber. We do have a little bit of hologramming going on in this general area here. And this can be from anything that could have happened at the port or at the dealership itself, where they actually just go over it with a rotary, and those rotaries, they spin in one direction and one direction only, and when they're going over, if you're using like a wool pad or anything like that, it can tend to leave what are called rotary marks behind, and this carbon fiber roof is definitely showing that. So moving back here a little bit more, on the back side of the hatch area, we have a little bit of a wet sand mark going on. This could have been a defect at the factory whenever they were painting it, or anything that could have happened at port. So this is going to get taken care of as well. On the spoiler here, we also have some holograms going on from a rotary. And then back on this far corner, on the other side of the hatch area, we have a clear coat imperfection. So it looks to be like a little bit of overspray from clear coat, but that's an area where it's kind of hard to see, but it is thoroughly marked. That way I can pay attention to that area. That way it's looking like glass, like the rest of the vehicle. And then coming down the passenger side of the car, we do have another wet sand mark on the passenger side door. That's another area that's going to be focused on to make sure that is in tip-top shape before the coating gets installed, because we want to make sure the paint is as perfect as possible prior to putting the coating on, because the coating is just going to seal everything in, and it's going to make it a lot easier for you to see any imperfections in the vehicle.
All right, guys, here we are. We're now at blackout tinting. I'm gonna go in and talk to Josh here in a second and have him go over the car, but I could see it in the background here. You might be able to see it in the reflection of the sunglasses. It looks freaking awesome. Like I said, the XPEL Fusion really makes the car look great. So I'm gonna go grab him and we're gonna go over what we've done. I'm here with Josh again, the owner of Blackout Tinting. He was gracious enough to go ahead and cover the car with XPEL Fusion. Like I said, it looks great. I'm gonna let him tell you exactly what was happening with it, what we did. Go ahead.
Cool. So Patrick, our head ceramic coating installer, installed XPEL Fusion ceramic coating on here. So what that does is it provides a super slick surface, really high gloss surface, much more so than wax. It's a more permanent protection. It will last just in many, many years with proper maintenance, of course. Now, no coating is impenetrable, just like the paint protection film, but this protects against different things than the film. So this is going to help with environmental damage. It makes it really easy to clean. Things don't like to stick to it, so dead bugs and tar, and even we've actually had road paint on a coating that's properly maintained come off very, very easily. So the coating should give you a lot of benefits. So in order to do it, first we have to polish the paint and prep the car. So we start with a really good wash, a clay bar, and then we decontamination bath the car. So we use a product called Griot's Garage Iron and Fallout Remover, and that helps remove any like rail dust and iron deposits that are stuck in the clear coat. Once that is done, then we move on to a multi-stage correction process. Now this car was super clean because it is brand new, but since it's black, even from the factory, there's going to be little minor swirl marks and things. And that's a question that comes up with us all the time is, hey, it's brand new, why do I get charged for a paint correction, or why do you need to polish the paint at all? And the answer is just, even brand new Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Corvettes, it doesn't matter. They still show up with defects. Once those defects are removed, then we have a nice, smooth, perfectly clean surface to go ahead and install the coating on. So we did the entire way around the car. The exterior plastics, glass, everything that you see on the outside gets coated, including all of those slats in the grills and things. And then on Justin's car, we also opted to remove the wheels and do what we call our wheels off coating. So we cleaned the barrel of the wheels and the whole back side of it, as well as the face, and go ahead and coat those with the XPEL Fusion as well. That gives you the same type of protection that we have on the rest of the car. And in his case, the brake calipers are painted nicely, so we clean, prep, and coat the brake calipers also.
That's awesome, Josh. I bet those front grills, I bet that was fun.
It's tedious. Yeah, the grills, those ones aren't too bad. Some of the real tight, like Audi ones, we end up spraying them with an airbrush.
Oh, yeah.
Because they're so tight.
Yeah, it looks great though, guys. I'm gonna go over it in a little bit greater detail as soon as I head out here, but you can just see it. It's like a mirror. So thank you again, Josh. I appreciate it so much. You guys have been great, and honestly, this car has never looked better. And this place, this Blackout Tinting, I'll tell you what, this is the place to come. If you're local, definitely come here. All right, guys, we just got in the car, and like I said, the car looks freaking amazing. Here we go. Fusion, do not wash. XPEL Fusion stuff here really seems to work well with the XPEL Clear Bra. So that's why I went this route. And just to send me off in the right direction, Josh also gave me some ceramic boost. Blackout Tinting is definitely the place you want to be for this. They have been so great to me. They have done a wonderful job in this car, and you can just tell it is a freaking mirror. Not only is it perfectly coated and it looks fantastic, it's going to be functional. You guys know how I like that. Looks good and it's functional. This is great stuff right here. Bugs are going to just wash right off, and it's going to offer another level of protection over top of the Clear Bra. You can't go wrong with this stuff. So we finally got a nice day to go over all of the actual ceramic coating that Blackout Tinting did for me. Now, as you can tell, I'm pretty happy with the XPEL Fusion product. And I'll be honest with you, since I had it done, it has done almost nothing but rain here in Pennsylvania. So I haven't had a real good day to come out here and show you guys what the shine looks like on this car. But what I did notice is incredible water beading, which of course I didn't really want to see so soon, but I did. So anyway, the actual shine of the car, I mean, you can just see the light just reflects off this thing. I mean, it is gorgeous. It's basically a mirror at this point. Now, as you guys saw in some of the footage that Blackout Tinting sent me when they were doing the ceramic coating, they went over, found a couple different spots to focus on, and really just detailed the car perfectly before even applying this coating. Now, the best part about this is I knew when I was going to Blackout Tinting, I knew of a couple of the spots on the car itself. I didn't tell them. I wasn't about to say, oh, make sure you focus on this and this, because then that's all they would focus on, or so I thought. So I didn't mention anything to them, and after watching their video, I realized not only did they find the spots that I had seen, they found like 10 more. So they went through and literally just completely washed, clay barred, and buffed the entire car. Now, this car was brand new when I bought it, so a lot of people think you don't have to do this stuff with brand new paint, but unfortunately you do. As you can see, I mean, this reflection here is just, it's a mirror. I mean, they literally perfected the paint and then put this coating on it, and the coating is just magnificent. I can't say enough how awesome it turned out. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. So if you liked what you saw, give me a big thumbs up. I'm gonna go ahead and of course give a huge thumbs up to Blackout Tinting. They did a phenomenal job with the car. I love the XPEL product, and this is exactly what I wanted. The black paint is difficult to maintain, but now it's gonna be that much easier because of this product. So if you're in the area and you have any detailing needs, definitely check out Blackout Tinting in Latrobe. They are fantastic people, and they do a phenomenal job on your car. But anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm gonna have loads of C7 and C8 content coming, so you're definitely not gonna wanna miss it. And as always, guys, I'll catch you in the next upload.